How long did it take for you to become comfortable using ProtoPie? How did you go about learning? Do you have any tips to get proficient in ProtoPie?
I would say just kind of get in there and then you'll get comfortable with the basic tools, build something basic. Like when we started out, we were using Envision. That was the main tool. You'd build a flow prototype in ProtoPie. See how much easier it is doing that. And then once you build that flow prototype, start adding functionality to it. Get used to the basics, and then you can start getting into variables and conditions and things like that.
Since introducing ProtoPie will change the designer-developer handoff, what did your developers say about it? Were there welcoming or any concerns from their end?
The handoff process that we have developed has been nothing but a godsend to our developers. They absolutely adore it. It answers all of their questions. They are able to build things faster. There's not as much back and forth or ambiguity. So the handoffs have been much better since we implemented the new process.
Talking about just dev handoff within ProtoPie, I've used Interaction Library before to hand off specific components. I found it useful to that, like, hey, this is how a component animates in and out, and it shows like a very condensed, like, hey, this is the timing and things like that. And I've got very positive feedback because they can see exactly how it's built.
Yeah, so I think with ProtoPie, the whole handoff process is getting easier and easier. And now that you can also do narrations while you're recording preview, I think we're improving this process more and more. Nathan, did you have coding experience before, or did you get this advanced only based on a designer background? Thanks for an awesome presentation.
I have more of like a logical brain, like a developer brain sometimes a little bit. I actually, for school, like I didn't do a normal design school. I went through like a boot camp. But initially I was planning on doing some sort of dev boot camp. So no, I didn't have any coding experience. I've done like a little HTML and CSS before in JavaScript, but no, not really. ProtoPie makes it pretty easy to understand and use.